guys, today I will be telling you how to make a smoothie. First, you want to cut up one banana into 4 slices and then put it into your blender. Then we're going to put about a tablespoon of honey, so like that much. Now, any fruit of your choice. I have dragon fruit, and I also have some mixed berries here, which includes peaches, blueberries, and strawberries. But yeah. And about a cup of Greek yogurt. Slowly, 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 but surely. Put that in. We're going to, so yeah. And enough OJ to make it a smoothie. So basically, just a cup of OJ. So probably about, no, probably more. It's good. Oh, good. Alright, so I'm gonna blend it now, but I'm not gonna make you listen to that shot. Okay, here we go. Trying the smoothie.